In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to enter, and how to make sure the new user can actually log in and start working in your CRM. Let's start from the very beginning. First, sign in to your Zoho CRM account using an administrator login. You'll need admin permissions in order to add new users, so make sure you're not using a basic or restricted account here. Once you're on the main Zoho CRM dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Setup Gear icon. This is your main entry point for all the configuration options in Zoho CRM. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup area. Inside the setup section, you'll see several different headings. Focus on the one labeled General. Under this General section, look for the option called Users and click it. This will take you to the Users page, where you can see everyone who currently has access to your CRM. On the Users page, you'll see a list of existing users along with some basic details like their names and roles. To add someone new, look for the button labeled New User, usually marked with a plus sign. Click that button to open the new User Details pop-up. In this pop-up window, you'll be entering the key information for the person you're adding. Start with their full name. Use the name they're known by in your organization so it's easy for everyone to recognize them in the system. Next, enter a valid email address for the user. This is very important because Zoho will send the invitation to this email and the user will need it to activate their account. Double-check for typos here, since an incorrect email will prevent them from receiving the invite. After that, you'll choose the user's role and profile. The role typically reflects their position in your organization's hierarchy, like a standard user or someone in a management position. The profile controls what they can see and do in the CRM, such as whether they can edit records, delete data, or access sensitive information. Take a moment to select the role and profile that match the level of access this person should have. Once all the required fields look good, click the Add button. Zoho CRM will immediately send an invitation email to the address you entered. Let the user know to check their inbox and possibly their spam or promotions folder and to click the link in that email. They must accept this invitation before they become an active user in your CRM organization. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely add new team members to your Zoho CRM so they can start collaborating with you.